Virginia, Patrick County, 1 acre. We have access, we have legal, we have physical, we have a live, we have adjacent, yes, we have affordable. Accepted offer price, $2,917.92. Comps look good, but I noticed lots of days of market in the area. Property away from the post office property. It's also close to Economic Development Authority, smack dab in the middle of the whole Jeb Stuart Highway system and Twin Ford Loop. Looks amazing.
It's $2,000.
Mm-hmm.
I would buy this.
Lori's going to tell us.
Yep. I wouldn't hesitate. Let's take a look though at Earthview. Drop that little fella down there and let's see.
Do you have any idea what this would sell for just quickly, Lori? Like 30, I mean, without looking?
No, I don't. But it's going to be more than, what is it? 3,000.
So 2,900, $3,000. So
Look at that. So
wait a minute. Power. Okay. It's not. Yeah. We just got power there. It's not looks like you've got a box too.
yeah, that's what it looks like to me too.
it's kind of down in there, but I'm sure it looks fine from here. Oh, yeah.
Is it 1 acre? Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Cheapest 1 acre property. Well, it says 0.8 active in it is, 10,000.
Yeah. I don't think you can miss
I don't think so either.
on this. Well, wait a minute. A house for
Right?
35, 41. Well, the Zestimate is 35 as well.
Handyman special.
Oh.
I'd still buy it.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd put it up for 30 or something. Because then it goes into these houses are 100, 105. There's a lot. 126 sold, 33 active. So there you go.
Okay. Good job.
It's worth 10 or 20 grand, I bet.
We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.